In factories, labs, and bustling commercial environments, flooring takes a beating, scratches, scuffs, and constant wear. Meet carbon fiber loaded ESD vinyl flooring sheet by Y.H.F, China's leading vinyl flooring manufacturer, engineered to outperform. Our secret? Advanced pure/UV surface treatments creating an ultra-tough shield that resists abrasions, chemicals, and daily wear. With T-class/P-class wear resistance and its homogeneous structure, this static control vinyl flooring is built to last years, even in the toughest settings. It's not just about surface protection, lasting durability is built into the whole structure. The homogeneous construction ensures that the flooring maintains its performance and appearance over time, even under heavy foot traffic and frequent cleaning. Combined with our specialized surface treatments, it delivers unmatched durability from the surface down. From electronics factories to pharmaceutical labs and healthcare facilities, this flooring stands up to the rigors of demanding environments, minimizing downtime, reducing maintenance costs, and ensuring long-term value. Backed by over 30 years of anti-static vinyl flooring production, Y.H.F is the trusted choice for performance you can count on.